up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Panda Allen, your ultimate P-pop reactor. Today we're gonna be reacting to SB19's Damn, but again, not the song, because I've already made the reaction video to their song, the lyric video, the All Out Sunday performance, and of course the music video. In case you missed that, check that out from my previous uploads. Today is something different because we are gonna do another part of the behind-the-scenes series of Damn. I've already made the other series, the character styling and the song and choreography. So today we are going to react to the concept. I'm not sure what this is all about, but of course this should be about how they came up with Damn. It's pretty straightforward. It's about everything, why they had this Damn, and how they would want it to look like. This video has more than 100,000 views, uploaded 3 days ago.
Every release before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa Damn, since sobrang nag-connect lahat. Dito siya. Dito yung statue.
Basically, Damn is Pablo's dream. Literally, Pablo's dream.
Really?
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Natatranslate namin dun sa visual that pinuproduce namin ngayon for Damn. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in. So people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan Shi as a director.
Has been working with them.
Has been working with them since
what?
Wow, really?
Since the
I loved what?
Ikalawang yugto. It's always been Alan Shi.
So Alan Shi, Carlo, it's been
Alan
the
Shi.
same team. That's why it feels like home. One of the challenges pa was sa creative direction part was the wardrobe. Kasi,
Yeah.
Since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's why.
That's right.
Good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Beltran.
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatagpa. So, parang sabi nila na this is the third chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
Yung scene, parang nahihigitan niya sa ganda. So, for example,
Because they have to be on the same page as Pablo. Because again, they said this is Pablo's dream.
yun, tatanim ka, may puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a scene that you can land and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able...
This brings back memories in school days, bro. Like, you gotta
Parang
brainstorm.
Ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval, and then sacrifice.
One of the challenges pa was it requires so much attention to detail.
Yeah.
Yun, okay? Alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually ha. Kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila.
That's the good thing about, you know, good communication with the artists.
Actually, sobrang laki na ng tinulong niya sa story.
Yung character niya, kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na sana may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have two personalities then, which is the good and bad still. So yung good, technically, siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror. And yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin. Parang puntahan yung magic tree. Yung bad still yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Wow.
Sa story natin sa Damn.
That's amazing.
If kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun nang wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya. para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng ng dam na music video.
Tsaka,
Bro, this should be a movie, bro.
dugo din talaga ni Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim. Oo, sa
Oh, yeah.
So basically, ganun
That
siya
makes more
ka-vital
sense
in terms
now.
of The entire universe.
Si Pao naman, yung contribution niya, bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga, binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya during na sinusulat niya yung song. So, ang sabi niya doon sa Discovery Session is, panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang
cliff
dulo,
siya,
parang
dam.
cliff. Oo.
So, dam was
Parang
really
kaya
like
sa music video nila
Dam?
ginamit
The
siya
water?
ng parang cliff.
I mean,
yung dam kasi may pinipigilan.
the thing that stops the
ka, diba?
water, right?
Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan. And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan. So, parang nagpahinga siya sa kanyang lair kung saan namalagi siya for many years. Yung ability niya is shadows. So, he's able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw.
This is
Kaya
so
naman sa-
interesting, bro. This should be a movie.
Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga.
Panaginip
And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan na yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
Kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
Oo, kasama sa pangarap.
And lahat dapat approve nila. Lahat dadaan sa kanila. So, parang,
course.
alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na talagang lahat sila on board doon.
Lahat-lahat kami sobrang alam na namin yung creative brief by heart.
Bro.
During meetings, si Josh, ang dami na talaga
Ang dami niya. Siya yung pinakamadaming insight, suggestions, tsaka
Tsaka, yun nga, siguro sa kanila lahat, siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG,
Oh, that's
meron mga
why.
classes. Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
so gusto niya ng may power siya.
Nagkataon din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako. And for this time, I wanted to be
That's
like
why he looks like a character in the game.
Kung magkakaroon ako ng powers, is siguro yung lightning. It looks super cool, ganun. Pero, and then, nagdedicate din yung ibang parts ng katawan ko. Nag-feel na kami, in a way, and ako, dun sa mga nangyayari.
Yan, ang ganda niyan.
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yung sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's just a bad day. Not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina about
That's right.
sa isang post niya, sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko mag-require din post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So, yun yung thing about Josh kasi ang dali niya
Yeah.
pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung siksik ko.
He's a born gamer.
Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan, alam ko yung reference niya, alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is para siyang warrior and madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened sa war. So, that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course, yun yung goal ng group.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa yuko, Ken. Yuko ka muna. Yan. Okay.
Sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in lahat sila may inputs to that very detail. si Ja kasi sobrang natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipaplano, ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material, na what if ganito yung color.
Mag-send talaga siya ng photo, magsasearch
Oo.
siya.
Wow.
Kasi in real time, pag nakita niya, magsasend agad siya ng photos para lang to suggest. Hanggang makarating kami ngayon kasi I believe that the boys, SB19, alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group din.
Yung character ko naman dito sa Damn music video is very, sabi ko, me, very me. Hindi, kita nyo naman, nature, ganyan, halahalaman. Blind ako, pero I can see more than what the normal people can see. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is, yung character ko ay isang researcher. Yun, even though I'm blind,
Oh, really?
I can see what's beyond.
Bro, this is very interesting.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
Doon namin naramdaman na sobrang pina-prioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng effort, binibigyan nila ng time. Basically, yung MV na to, ang taas ng value for them na they wanted they wanted to be as ambitious as possible. They wanted to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single. As in, lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda and sobrang happy.
That's really good, bro. I mean, they're not just singers, dancers, but they are artists. I did not expect it to be that really, brilliant, well thought. In terms of the concept, wow, everyone really contributed, especially, of course, Pablo created the song, and then everyone then just follow his lead. Creative in terms of styling, it was more of Justin. In terms of the characters, there was Josh, and then Ken also put in his ideas, and of course, Stel. Like, everyone has their own say about the concept, which was really good, which is something that you really appreciate about artists today. Like, it's not like the conventional artists that we've had, which is really, that's the good thing about SB19. That is what we appreciate about SB19, because they don't really settle for they're setting the standards now in terms of a P-pop song, right? We know that they can do many genres of songs, but this time they're putting this level higher than the usual, and then that's it. That's the standard that they're following right now. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for watching this reaction. If you liked, and if you did, click that like button down below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next part of the BTS. I still have to check what's the next one, but I'll see you again in my next reaction video.